This is my new LG washer. It's only about 3 days old. I've done about 5 loads through it. And it started squeaking bad. Sounds like it's coming from this corner, but I can't tell, but it definitely has a lot of squeak in it now. That never had before. A few days ago. It's weird. Listen to it squeaking everywhere. It's on the wash cycle. Hot and normal. And it's probably about half full. It's not overloaded, it's not underloaded. It's about half full. Just regular clothes, no bedding, no bulky items, just like kids' clothes, pants, shirts, socks, stuff like that. Nothing unusual. Really making a lot of racket. And I know it didn't do this 2 days ago because I was really looking at it carefully. Listen to it. Good gosh. Making some racket. This is the, I believe this washer model number is WT4870CW. Definitely has something to do with the tub mounts, I think. The suspension bars making a lot of racket as the tub moves back and forth. Good God. Just hope they're not failing on me. I've heard stories about these things blowing up. And those brackets fail, so it's going to high spin. It's definitely level. I checked that, and you push on the corner. It's solid. So I'll call LG and see what they have to say.